Hi guys, Team Beauty here with another video. So this video is going to be a little different. It's going to be, what do you call this now? Sephora haul, and I'm also going to include some stuff that I bought at Amazon. It's not a lot of stuff, so this video should not be long. So why don't we just get into this video? I'm just going to show you guys what I had bought from the Sephora Save Spring savings that is going on right now. You have until April 11th to go ahead and shop and get 20% off any items that you want and 30% off any Sephora items. So you have the Rouge, you have the VIB. Well, I thought it was VIP. You have the VIB and the Insider. So Insiders get 10%, VIB get 15%, and Rouge get 20%, but it doesn't matter what category you fall under. If you are going to buy a Sephora brand, it's going to be 30%. We're going to save the best for last, so I am more going to focus on the Amazon stuff that I bought. And so let's see what's in this little package right here. So I bought this because I have an idea. I'm not sure if you guys can see the true color. It may look white, but it's like a marble gold marble paper, right? This is a marble paper. What I'm planning on doing is to put this on a table that I have. Sometimes it feels so good opening these things. It feels like I'm getting gifts, like surprise, you got gifts. Comment down below if you feel like that when you order something and you get it. It's like, what did I order again? I'm not sure. Oh, let's see. And when you get it, you're so surprised. So this is, I'm going to show you exactly what it is. And I got the idea from Andrea Renee. If you guys watch her on social media, she's one of those girls that I love to watch. She was the one, I was watching a vlog. I'll put her name somewhere. You know, I'm a small YouTuber, but hey, it doesn't matter. I don't, I don't care. I'm not in it for, if money comes, money comes, but it's fun. I love it. I love it for fun. So she was telling us where she bought this thing that she does for her phone when she's doing her Instagram reels and all that. The stuff are in the box. I just need to put it together. What gravitates me to buy it is the stand part. Like, I'm making all this noise. This part is what gravitates for me buying it because it's so sturdy, it won't move anywhere. So thank you, Andrea Renee, for letting others know what you got at home, what you use. She shares her stuff. I love that about her. I'm one of her fans. Alright, so let's put that away. So again, that I got from Andrea Renee. And some of the things, to be honest guys, for you to learn a lot about some YouTubers, you literally have to watch their vlogs, because the vlogs is where they talk more and they say exactly what they have at home or what they're using. Comparing when they're just doing regular makeup videos, they don't really say much unless they're doing a specific video for that specific area. Okay? Alright. Next is another big box here. I already had taken them out of the Amazon box because, alright, so I'll tell you my reason. So I bought a Sigma lens. Again, too. I don't want people to think I'm copying her. No, I like to research, and if I'm in the beauty world, I like to know what some of these beauty girls are using and what works. I have a full-time job. I can be able to pay for certain things. So I'm not one of those YouTubers who don't have the funds to be able to get certain things. Like for example, a good lens. I mean, I'm not going to spend $2,000 for a lens because, as you can see, right now I don't have much followers. But I know my channel is going to grow at some point, so I'm not worried. And the stuff that I have now is what I'm going to be using for a long time. Like, I'm not planning on changing it. So I was watching, again, Andrea Renee. Don't get me wrong, I watch a lot of YouTubers, but I watch her vlogs, and I think when I don't know if she has a specific video of the things, her settings and the stuff that she uses. And I always admire her whole videos. Like, I'm like, wow, her stuff is so clean and pretty. And at the same time, I don't think she used a 4K. But one of the lenses that she used, and the reason why I wanted to get a lens like this is a zooming lens. So meaning you don't have to go close to the camera to show the product. It zooms in and out, and I love that about the lens that she has. And so I went on Amazon and I got the 18 to 35 millimeter Sigma lens. I don't know if she has Sigma or she has Canon. I got Sigma. And guys, when you're buying Sigma lens, get the art, not the regular, not the other type. Because I had gotten another Sigma lens in the 50 millimeter, and it wasn't the art one. And I feel like, I don't know if that makes a big difference. But the company that I bought this from through Amazon, they had given me a whole lot of different things in there. So it comes with a little pouch to bring the lens. They also give me one of these thingamajiggy, what do you call these things again? A SanDisk, 64 gigabyte. And I guess I have some stuff in here also. I really haven't opened it. The reason why I took it out the Amazon bag is because I want to make sure that the lens was okay. And I'll show you guys the lens. But I had to open it before I did this haul, because if something was wrong with it, I can immediately say something rather than waiting and then get screwed. But this is the lens. It's heavy, but not that heavy. Actually, it's kind of heavy, but this is what it looks like. And then I also get me a 5 terabyte for Mac. The external hard drive for it. If you guys are starting as a new YouTuber, I know I shouldn't be encouraging people on this because I don't have much subscribers, but I feel at some point somebody's gonna watch it and hear this. You can use your phone. I do some of my like my TikTok videos on my phone. Your phone can do just as good until you can afford to get yourself a camera. Whenever I buy a camera, I buy the whole kit. I don't buy my camera online. I go to Best Buy and get my cameras, and I get the whole kit. I know people always say, don't buy the kit, buy the body. I get everything. Now we're done with Amazon. Now we're going into Sephora. Now I just ordered these things, I think Friday, and they told me it will be delivered Thursday, and today is Sunday, the 3rd of April. And I've ordered on March 31st, and they told me it will be delivered on the 7th of April. So I was like, all right, I'll do my haul once I receive it. But I got it today, which is Sunday, so what are they trying to do? Play tricks on me? I remember the last time I ordered from them, it did take a while. Not a long while, but it didn't get delivered so quick. And another thing, when you order online, there's a difference when you order online and when you buy in stores. When you order online, you get a lot of different samples. When you buy in the store, you don't get samples really. Unless the person like you, they'll give you a sample in your bag, I feel. But I hardly ever got any samples. I'm not mean. I was not mean to anyone at Sephora. So when you order online, you get samples. So these are some samples I got. Whenever they don't have sample of your request, they will put something else in your box, or put the same thing in your box. Oh, this is a perfume, a sample perfume that comes in there. So for my samples, I'm always getting like foundation samples so I can see what they look like. So this one is the LYS samples. These are samples of Lancome Beauty. So they had Rare Beauty sponge for $7, and I just got it because why not? It's on sale. Let me know if you have tried the Rare Beauty sponge and if you like it. I mean, for it to be selling for $7, it must not be that great. That's what I say. But this is what it looks like. Oh no, this is not the best sponge. I don't think I'm gonna like this sponge. I went and got the Makeup Forever foundations, They were selling for $18, guys. These are $18. Makeup Forever, $18 on Sephora right now. So go and get yours. I got Y445 and Y528. Now the reason why I got two is because I bought it online for one, and I'm not sure which one will match my skin tone. So if one doesn't work, I can literally return it to Sephora. I could walk into a Sephora store and return it. And it has a pump, so that's good. I'm trying to just make this video go by so fast because now I've spent a lot of time here doing this. I also got me a beauty blender. I think this is the time to get a beauty blender when there is a sale. And I got it in green because green is my favorite color. Yes, so that's the only reason why I got this. Because if it wasn't for the sale, I wouldn't waste my money on a beauty blender. I'll be honest with you, because I have so much sponge, and especially the e.l.f. sponge, they work marvelous. Now, I've been waiting for the 30% off. This is the main reason why I did my shopping. I've been waiting for the 30% off so I can get some of Sephora's professional brushes. I wanted to get some good eyeshadow brush, and I know Sephora, the professional brand, will have that. So I have the 19, the 24, the 27, and 26. Guys, these brushes are $20 each, and some of them are $22. So the best time to buy these is when they are on sale, okay? I went and got me the Makeup by Mario brush also. Let me show you guys what this looks like. This brush is a dual brush. These are also eyeshadow brush. It's a dual brush. I gotta watch a video on how he used it. Now see, I can't get this back in there. And I also got me this brush, Sephora brush. It was like $10, so 30% off. I got it for little or nothing. I got 5 samples and I bought 10 stuff, right? And that comes up to $117. Guys, that is a good deal. All these brushes plus the foundations. If I was to buy those without the discount, I'll be paying over 200 and some bucks, because that's what my total was, $250. So trust me, this is a time to shop. Go get yours and you won't regret it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys see something you like. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Bye.